See, I clean the fish. This is the fish, very shiny. Huh? Oh, we don't know that this fish have my plastic. There is plastic in this one. See, I clean it already. See, this is the original fish. This is also fish, but see, compared to this two, see, this one is very shiny. When I take out the plastic, this is now what happened. Kaya I'm so shocked because I clean lemon, I put salt, it's still shiny. So when I cut the head, and then the tail's also cutting, it comes out that there is something, and there is plastic. See, this plastic. See, this is. You see that one? You think that is fresh fish, but actually it's not. This is when I finish take out the plastic. This one have plastic. See, I take out none, and I will show you. So you are not saying that I'm a liar. See, even in my hand, I can take out this one. See. Make scissor. See. It's very hard to take out because this one have plastic, this one, but I'm alone. Nobody handle the telephone, so I cannot show you. See this one? See, this is plastic, see? That's a plastic. I don't know what, oh, see? You can see that one? Focus on it. See? There is plastic, see? Very danger. It thought that it was freeze, but no. See? The plastic. On the top of the, see? How can you say that? Danger.